So this video is all about the fishing, and that's the good thing about video is it's video, so you know it's proof we actually caught these things. I mean, I caught one this big, and you'll see it on video. And Laura's, forget about it. Our awesome viewers and patrons, Gary, Don, and Thad, took us fishing. You'll see a lot more of them in the future. So we've got an 8-hour day of fishing. Should be a lot of fun. We're on the boat. It's called Second Chance. It's a little bit bigger than the last one we were on. Looking forward to it. Let's catch some fish this time.
Yeah.
We should. 8 hours. I can't imagine we would. So, and we got semi-professional fishermen here with us.
I don't know about all that.
It was a quick stop to get some mackerel for bait and then out to sea.
Laura was first up.
I might need
Got a
some
Marlin. Hang on. Pull. Now, okay, now. Use your legs and your back. Don't hold
Are you
on
kidding?
your arm.
Oh my god!
There you go. You don't want to give them any slack.
You got it, Laura.
That's a high five from a whale and a job well done.
Next up, it was Dawn's turn.
and then Gary got to reel one in.
Then things got real exciting. We hooked 2 at the same time.
Unfortunately, Thad's line broke, which just left me.
Come on, come on! Yeah!
It was a pretty big wahoo, but after that we didn't catch any more, so it was time to head back in. So a successful day.
Best fishing trip ever?
It was, actually. It was the best fishing trip I've been on, probably.
Ever?
Ever.
I caught, what?
You caught no, you caught a Marlin.
I got a Marlin.
Yeah,
You got a what?
I caught a Wahoo. And then we caught 2 Dorado, Mahi, whatever, dolphin fish, whatever you want to call them.
Yep.
Oh, we're bringing that all home. We're going to try to find some place to cook it. Basically, we're gonna cook the fish we caught today. We're gonna have about 8-10 people for it, and so we're gonna bring it to a restaurant right here. They're gonna cook it, and I'm actually gonna show you guys how they're gonna prepare it. So here it is. This is Misiones de Quinos. It's about 4 blocks off the main drag in Cabo, and one of the best restaurants we've eaten at. So this is Israel. He's one of the owners here, I guess. Of,
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Misiones de Quino. Or Misiones Quino?
Misiones Quino, yeah.
Misiones Quino. And so he's going to show us, a lot of people here catch the food and then they bring it right in and you guys cook it.
Yeah,
So
that's
show
right.
me what you guys do here.
This is Nino. He does all the magic and all the appetizers, dessert. This kid makes it all.
Okay.
This is Piranhita. He works all the dishes. Without him, we couldn't get all dishes.
Right.
Yeah. Caesar, this is our oldest worker. He's been with us 20 years. He specializes in cooking fish, and his family is straight from Veracruz.
Okay.
So you know his food is great. This is my brother from another mother, Jesus.
Jesus.
He's the other
¿Cómo estás?
magician here.
All right.
Magic. So this is the workplace. Normally where they prepare the food, they got the sauces, cheeses, you got different stuff, so they can work fast. Specialty sauce, chapaya.
Chapaya sauce.
Chapaya.
Okay,
I've never
chapaya.
tasted that before, but I bet you're gonna love it.
All right. Is this our fish here?
Yeah, no, this is not. This
Okay.
is not your fish.
So where is our fish there? Can we see it?
¿En cuál es el? This is your fish right here.
Ah, looking good. All right. So how are we going to prepare this tonight?
Well, I got a couple of ways for you guys.
Okay.
First off, we start with the sashimi, ceviche. After that, we make the fish a couple different ways. even to 6.
Okay.
We have the chapaya sauce, that's the secret sauce of the house, has a little bit of cream, mayonnaise, olive oil, wine, garlic, and butter.
Sounds
excellent.
That sounds really good, yeah.
Then we have the coconut butter,
okay.
coconut mango, sorry.
Coconut mango.
That's with the spicy mango,
okay.
and with the tempura custom base. And that's really good too.
Makes it a little bit spicy then?
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
Okay.
Then we have the fish veracruz,
okay.
fish of the house, teriyaki, blackened, you name it. These guys work magic with the fish.
All right, so we're having dinner at 7, so you wanted the fish here at 6. So how long does it take you to prepare everything here?
Normally about 20 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it doesn't take that much.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, I tell you what, I'm gonna go hang out at the bar while these guys get ready, and then I'll show them cooking a little bit of the fish once they're ready to get it. All right, so a little bit of garnish on top. It's Medicine Mama here at Mission de Quino. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that's lovely. You should come here and have one of these. This is salud, my friend.
Salud.
Salud. All right. Those are the what?
This is the sashimi, the wahoo.
The Wahoo. Okay.
Man, it's really good.
And that's what's coming out right now. We're at the table.
Oh yeah, for the
Okay.
appetizers. This is the ceviche, amigo.
Ceviche. And so what is that made out of?
That's a little bit. This is the dorado.
Dorado.
Pico de gallo and avocado on top.
All right.
Kim really knew what she was talking about when she sent us here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think she did us a favor. Okay.
I know, right?
Everything looks fantastic.
Hey. Preparation of fish.
So preparation of the fish, huh?
This is the chicharron.
All right. So what's happening here? Just breading them?
So this is the blackened, spicy blackened.
Yeah, spicy blackening. And this is the Wahoo.
Yes. Dorado.
Dorado. Okay.
We have the tempura.
Okay.
This is the coconut mango. So we got tempura with coconut shavings, and then we deep fry that. Delicioso, amigo.
Wow. Look at that. Like, my mouth is watering watching this. This is amazing. I mean, how do you not just like, how do you not just like want to sample stuff all the time?
I don't know. I don't know. But these guys are the best.
All right. I can't even tell you how good that smells right now. Oh, it smells so good. So good. It smells so good. Alright, this is teriyaki? Alright, so this is the teriyaki. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wahoo! Alright, so we got Dorado and Wahoo going here. Oh my gosh. I can't even describe how good this smells. I mean, like I'm not a fish guy. I'm not a fish guy. The smell is amazing. It's ridiculous. What is that sauce? Chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce. Vaya sauce. What kind of sauce?
Chipaya.
Chipaya.
The secret.
So the white sauce is chipaya sauce. Apparently that's their specialty. It's just amazing. I don't know. We'll see here in a second. They're saying it's ready. I can't tell you enough. I'm excited. Hey Maverick, you want some of that? Yeah.
Teriyaki.
Yes. Oh, wow. Teriyaki?
Wow.
And you brought shovels to go with it?
Yeah.
So amigos, let me explain what you got here.
All right.
This is the tempura-based coconut mango. We use shredded coconut and then a mango sauce. It's not really sweet, it's just perfect. Here we have a blackened with our special sauce. This is homemade. The chipaya, the secret garlic sauce, has a little bit of cream, white wine, olive oil, rosemary, garlic, and onions. Excelente. And here's the finished Veracruz. You steam boil that one with tomato sauce, olives, and onions.
Okay.
Ooh.
Misiones de Quino.
Alright. Looks good. Looks delicious.
Mango.
Oh yeah, I forgot the mango one. That's fantastic.
Oh, is it? Oh, that one.
Mango and coconut.
How is it down there, guys?
Some garlic. Oh,
Awesome.
everything is fantastic.
It's fantastic, it's amazing. The mango is gorgeous.
Oh my god.
Holy Wahoo? Holy Wahoo?
Holy Wahoo!
Oh.
If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe.
Be sure to check out the Sailing Doodles podcast.
And this channel is funded by viewers and patrons like you. Thank you so much.